Assalamu alaikum everybody. Today our last topic for our first chapter is Roman numbers. Now here Roman numbers are the numbers by the way of writing the numbers used by Romans. Now what is Romans here? Rome is a country. There is a country called as Rome, and so in olden days the people who used to live in that country, or those people were called as Romans. So the way of writing numbers used by those people are called as Roman numbers. Like now in our mathematics we use numbers from 0 to 9. We use these numbers, these 10 numbers, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, to make any number. To make 12, we use this 2. To make 98, we use this 2. To make any number, whether it's a long 4-digit number, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3456, any number, to make any number in our Hindu-Arabic way, we use numbers from 0 to 9, that are 10 digits. We use these 10 digits to make any number, whether 4-digit, 5-digit, 3-digit, 2-digit, etc. So, in the same way, in Roman numbers, Romans used alphabets to write numbers. There are 26 alphabets in English, right? In English, we have 26 alphabets from A to Z. But Romans used only 7 alphabets as symbols for identifying numbers. What are those 7 symbols? Let us see that. The 7 symbols that we are going to use are the 7 alphabets of English. Okay, let's see here. I, we, okay, X, L, C, I, V, X, L, C, D, and M. These are the 7 alphabets by which the Romans used to make numbers. We can make any number using only these 7 alphabets. Now let us see what each alphabet mean in Hindu-Arabic numerals. The numbers that we use from 0 to 9, those digits are known as Hindu-Arabic numerals. Okay, now in Hindu-Arabic numbers, these alphabets, what do they mean? I means 1. Okay, V means 5. X means 10. L means 50. C means 100. Okay, D means 500. I need more space here. D means 500, and last M means 1000. Okay, these are the 7 alphabets that we use in Roman numerals. Only with the help of these 7 alphabets we can make any number. In Hindu-Arabic numbers we are having 0 to 9. Using that digits, we can make any number. Same in that way, we will see how to make numbers using the Roman numerals. Now, okay, very important. Now, let's have a look how to make numbers using these. Now, first We'll learn numbers from 1 to 10. Okay. Now, in Indo-Arabic numerals, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and also 0. 0 to 9, these are the main digits. But here I am going to tell you how to write the numbers only from 1 to 10. Okay. Now, in Roman numerals, we don't have any value, we don't give any alphabet or any value to the number 0. There is no 0 for Roman numbers. Okay, there is no 0 for Roman numbers. Only these numbers are there. Now, how to write them using the Roman numerals alphabets? Now, we already have seen here 1 means I. So, 1 will be I. 2 will be 2 I's together. 3 will be 3 I's, 3 lines, 3 I's together. Or we can also write like this, I. But in short form, mostly we'll just put the numbers and put the lines and put the bars. 4. Now for 4, we don't have to put 4 lines like this. It will be very big. This will be wrong. For writing 4, what we will do here is, we'll put this V. V here is 5. V means 5. So to get 4, how much we should minus from here? We'll minus 1. If we subtract 5 from 1, if we subtract from 5, we subtract 1, we will get 4. What is the number for 1? Is I. And what is the number for 5? 4. So like this, we have to take, this is 5, 4, 3 for example. Here we are having 5. Okay? Now one number back we have to go to make 4. One digit back we have to go to make it 4. So that is why we will put 1 before 5. This V means 5. And here 1 means, I means 1. So to make 5, we will write V, and before that we will put 1 number. So it will be 4. Backward counting. If I say 1 number, if we go back, we'll get 4. So to make 4 in Roman numbers, we'll write it like this. Before 5, we'll put the number. That is I. Next 5 we already studied here. Directly V. Okay. Next 6. Again we'll use 5. V for 5. Then to make 6, how many you will add? You will add 1. 6. 5 and 1. 5 plus 1, 6. Here before 5, before we are putting 1. So 5 minus 1, it will be 4. Before we are putting 5, 4, 6. For 5, if we put before, it will be 4. But if you put it after, it will be 6. Now 7, again same like that. 5, 6, 7. Then 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Or we can say 5 plus 1 is 6, 5 plus 2 lines is 7, 5 plus 3 lines is 8. Now we can only, for single line, single I alphabets, we can only take I 3 times only. We can't take it 4 times. Only I can come together only 3 times. So now we can't take as 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. No, again wrong. Again the same method that we applied here. We'll take 10. The alphabet of 10 is X. And before, one number before it will come. 8, 9, 10. 10 is X. So one number before it will come. So we'll put X like this. And 10 is X only. These are the Roman numbers for 1 to 10. Now let's revise and finish our lesson over here. Roman numbers or Roman numerals are the numbers, the way of writing numbers used by Romans. In this, we use alphabets. We don't use digits. We don't use Hindu Arabic numbers from 0 to 9 that digits. We use alphabets here. We use only 7 alphabets. Those are I, V, X, L, C, D, M. Now here I means 1, 5, V is for 5, X for 10, L for 50, C for 100, D for 500, and M for 1000. This is very important table. You need to learn this. But for first practice or first topic, we'll go for numbers from 1 to 10 only. 1, 1 I. 2, 3, 4. Before 5, one line we should put, it will be 4. 5. Then after again one line we put 5 plus 1, it will be like 6. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So here we have studied about the Roman numbers, everything. So while writing this number, what rules did we apply? We'll write that. Okay. Very important for us. I told you we will not use any alphabet more than 3 times. We will not write any alphabet. Repetition of Roman numerals is not allowed. More than 3 times. Till 3 times we can repeat, but more than 3 times we cannot repeat them. Okay? Wait a minute. Repetition of numbers is not allowed more than 3 times. Okay? Like here only. If we are writing 1, we are putting like this. If we are writing 2, 1 plus 1, we'll make it 2 like this. If we are writing 3, 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 equal to, we are writing I 3 times. But for 4, we are not writing 4 lines. But for 4, we are not writing 4 lines. That is why there is a rule. We can't use one alphabet 3 times or more than 3 times. This is our first rule. Okay? Now, second is, if the number, if a smaller numeral is written to the right of the number, like here, 6. Here we are writing 5 is bigger numeral, 1 is smaller numeral. If the smaller numeral is written on the right side, that means addition of both. 5 is V, I is 1. I 1, 5. This is smaller. If a smaller numeral is written on the right side of a bigger numeral, that means it is addition. 5 plus 1 will give you 6. So this is how we write 6. So this is our second rule. Smaller numeral written on right side of bigger numeral means addition. Means addition. That means we are adding the numbers. The third rule is exactly same but the opposite. If the smaller number is written on the left side, that means subtraction. Smaller numeral written on right side of, left side. Left side of bigger number or numeral means subtraction. Example we have seen here. We cannot add a number, any alphabet more than 3 times. If we are writing a smaller numeral after bigger numeral, it will be addition. 5 plus 1. We have seen here 6. Same like this, if we are writing a smaller numeral before a bigger numeral, that is 5 and 1, it will means minus. 5 minus 1 will give you 4. subtraction it will mean. Okay, these are the main three rules that we followed and we wrote here. But you have to memorize and remember this column and the numbers from 1 to 10 without fail. Thank you.